gonna have to say goodbye to our little tractor. Right, Big Mike?
What are you gonna drive?
What do you mean, what am I gonna drive? I'm gonna drive the bigger tractor.
Well, this one's a lot more orangey than that
It's a lot more orangey.
one. This one kind of matches my shirt.
You keep the
other one's
little
a
one
little bit more
then.
red.
You want to keep the little tractor for you?
No, the little tractor for you.
No. Nope. Nope. Let's go say goodbye to our little tractor. He's a good tractor. I'm gonna miss you. Goodbye, little tractor. We had some good times.
Have no fear. The bigger tractor is here.
Okay, bye, little tractor.